Thomas the wheelie train. Oh, I forgot you were bringing the whole bike.
Yeah, it's brought the whole bike.
How you doing? My name's Blaine.
This is Melissa.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, it was easy to just load it up in this thing. It's a $500 trailer.
It looks like $200 trailer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like a.
Nowadays, you try to buy an enclosed trailer, this is like a $1,500 trailer.
This thing is falling apart though.
Old reliable, dude. This trailer
There's like,
rocks.
you can see the outside.
They were working out of it.
Huh?
Oh, this is what. So this is what most people want me to fix. This back rail on these trailers rots off.
You know what I did?
This is the best fix I've seen because there's no way to weld to this fucking rusty shit, bro.
No.
And everybody wants me to fix and weld this. I'm gonna start telling. I'm gonna take a picture of this and tell them to do that.
I actually got better at steel welding. And because I got a little welder, I've been messing around and I got okay. I'm not a fucking nowhere near what you're doing, but I thought about steel welding for a split second. And I said, nah, let me just put a piece of wood in there. And it works.
Yeah, that's way better. I don't even see the crack anymore.
You can barely see it. Here, let me, I took the filter
Oh,
off.
I kind of see it,
You
yeah.
see it? We might need to take a brush. I tried to take a grinder to it, and it seemed to, like, mush it in to the cracks. I don't know if there's a way to trace it.
Well, we'll take a wire wheel, yeah.
But if you look here, there's no crack. It didn't go through all the way.
Well. Disconnect the battery so we don't short out any fuses or anything.
Alright. Good then.
Find a good ground spot on here. Where's a good ground spot?
Good ground. Oh, fuck. That's a tough one. How about this?
Or if you see a spot that's already bare like that.
Threads are the last thing you want to do, huh? Grind this side.
Yeah, that's perfect right there.
Fuck it. It's on the inside of the fuel tank.
That's perfect
Never
right
gonna
there.
see it. Huh. Beautiful.
Gotta have a good ground to do some welding.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Sweet.
All right. We got this crack ground out some. It's kind of hard to see the crack. It was so small. So I'm gonna waller it out a little bit more here with this zebra.
This one's been the best one so far. And this
There's a
cheap little
zebra in
trailer,
there.
that has the best fix.